Hey folks, welcome to another lesson of Python Shorts, short Python tutorials that are straight to the point. Today we're talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries are a nice easy way to make an array of things that are associated with other things. Basically a list. So think about a grocery list. Let's say we're going to call our variable grocery our dictionary variable, and what you want to do is make curly brackets. So we're going to have item 1 be eggs. We need to pick up some eggs. Number 2 is going to be equal to milk. And number 3 is going to be beans. So those are the 3 things on our grocery list. So what's the advantage of a dictionary? Basically, since all these items are tied to another number, sort of like you could think of it like an index, the 1 is an index for eggs, then 2 is an index for milk, and so on. So now if we wanted to print a specific one of those, we could print grocery, let's say 2. So this should print off the word milk, because we're targeting the number 2 there. And there you go. So that's one way to do that. You can also print off the entire dictionary by just doing print grocery. That'll print 1 eggs, 2 milk, 3 beans. Another thing to mention is that these don't have to necessarily be a number and then a string. So instead of 2 milk, we could have, this be milk, if I could spell milk, and then colon, and then 2. So now, milk is actually the index, and what we'd be looking for is 2. So we could print grocery of milk. And it would return us a 2. So it's just a useful way of keeping things that are tied to each other, so that you can recall those things later. That's all I've got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.